अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप लोग ठीक होंगे और अपना और अपनी फैमिलीज का ख्याल रख रहे होंगे। हमारे चैनल का ऑब्जेक्टिव है आप लोगों की मदद करना कि आप अपना कारोबार, अपना काम सेटअप कर सकें, उसे डेवलप कर सकें और उसे अपने लिए एक सस्टेनेबल रेवेन्यू सोर्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकें। दोस्तों, जब हमारे जहन में कोई आइडिया आता है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो ख्याल आपको कह रहा होता है कि यार ये काम करो, ये मुमकिन है। जो एक इंसान का जहन सोच सकता है चीज, अल्लाह पाक ने हमें वो एबिलिटी दी है। our creator have blessed us with the ability to achieve things that comes to an human mind. दोस्तों, nothing is impossible. The word impossible itself says that I am possible. So if you dream to be a businessman, if you want to be an entrepreneur, then you can become an entrepreneur. You have to believe on yourself, on your skills. Friends, society, people around us will tell us that for becoming a businessman, you need a huge sum of investment to start your business and to live the life of your dream. But today, I'm going to share with you 10 amazing ideas that will enable you to manage your own business and to become an entrepreneur, to live the life of your choice, and that as well with very little initial investment. We are here to help you guys and want to see you be successful in achieving your dreams. So, friends, you can always get in touch with us through our mobile number, that is 032266600540. Our email ID hamzaicap110@gmail.com. Our Facebook page, our YouTube channel. We are here to help you guys. And we will love to see you grow your own business. Entrepreneurship is the way to pursue, and you should have the long term aim to move towards it. Even if you are doing a job, start working around it, start collecting information, verifying information, prepare feasibilities, start as a side income initially, and then once you grow it, then you can adopt it as a full time work. Entrepreneurship basically enables you to adopt your hobby as a source of your income. And there are so many plenty of ideas, so many plenty of things that you can do on your own in today's world, where world is a global village. There is online presence. People are moving towards e-commerce. If you have an internet connection, if you have a skill, then you can go online and sell it. What you need is self-belief, self-determination, and organization. Friends, please listen to our video till end. We are going to share very exciting ideas with you guys, and we hope that you will love our video and we will like to hear back from you guys. So let's start. What is the idea number one? It is drop shipping. So friends, drop shipping. ड्रॉप शिपिंग रिटेलरशिप का एक नया और जदीद तरीका है जिसको आप ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट कनेक्शन के थ्रू रन कर सकते हैं। ड्रॉप शिपिंग का बिजनेस मॉडल क्या है, इसको डिस्कस करते हैं। हाउ डज ड्रॉप शिपिंग वर्क्स? फॉर ड्रॉप शिपिंग you enter into contract with suppliers for whose product you are going to sell through your online retail stores. You identify a particular market segment enter into contact with relevant vendors, market their product online on your retail stores, and whenever a customer places an order and pays the money, you keep your commission, pay the remaining amount to the vendor. The vendor then arranges the delivery to the customer. You do not have to manage any inventory, no physical inventory maintenance is required, no procurement cost on your side. What you need to start a dropshipping business is to have links with vendors and then an internet connection, and you need to register yourself on platforms like Amazon, like Alibaba, or other e-commerce platforms where customers will come to you, place their orders, you will keep your commission, and the rest depends on the supplier to pack the product and deliver it to the customer. So very little initial investment is required for this business model to work. You can develop a portfolio of products with you, market those products, and earn your commission from the ease of your home only through internet connection. This is a wonderful technique of retailership which have been enabled due to the global village concept, the development of technology, and the internet. What is the second business model which we are going to share with you today? Is print on demand services. You can print t-shirts, mugs, pillows, bed sheets. You can design those prints, display them on an online platform, receive an order from the customer. What you need is that you should have contact with vendors of cloth, vendors who will print the cloth as per the customer requirement. So you just need to have those contacts signed, market the print on demand designs that you have in your mind. If you are a good designer, you can develop and display wonderful signs, wonderful designs, attract the customers, and when a customer places the order, receive the money, pay to the vendor, purchase the cloth, give it to the printer, get it printed, and get it delivered to the customer. You are not investing anything. You are not purchasing the cloth in demand, not getting printed articles in demand in hand, just going online, marketing your product online, and selling online and earning revenue. This business also requires very little initial investment. And once your designs goes viral, you can earn handsome amount of revenue through this business model with little initial investment. दोस्तों ये है हमारा आज का दूसरा बिजनेस मॉडल जो फ्यूचर में ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होने वाला है because people are now looking for this product online on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and if you have such profile online, if you are able to market your designs, if you have good design skills, and if you are contract signed the cloth and printing vendors, then you can manage this job, manage this business easily from your homes and manage it along with a permanent job at the start. And when the volume grows, then you can make it your mainstream income as well. So दोस्तों चलते हैं, let's go to our third business model, which is freelancing. As we discussed in our previous video, a detailed video which we made only about freelancing services, in which we have discussed all the details about freelancing with you. You can sell on freelancing sites services like business consultancy, feasibility studies, review assignments, design, email marketing, event management, photography, bookkeeping, virtual assistants, fitness training, fashion designing, content writing, online marketing, human resource management, and various other skills that are in demand these days on freelancing platforms. You just need to have a skill, just need to go to famous freelancing sites, register yourself, market yourself, develop your profile, develop your resume, get customer orders, meet customers' expectations, retain those customers, and then through continuous effort, through continuous motivation and time, your services will become viral. You will receive orders from around the world, and you're going to earn handsome income through this business model as well. Freelancing, basically, friends, is the future of business world. More and more businesses are going to hire experts for receiving various services. So if you have a skill, you don't need to obtain a particular education. Just get some education, just get some training courses, develop a skill, market your skill, and earn to famous freelancing sites. Build an audience so that you can monetize yourself. Build an audience either on your YouTube channel, on your Facebook page, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Instagram. Become a person who is able to engage the people. Become a person who is talkative, who is able to influence others, who have good marketing skills, who can keep people engaged with himself, who is a good team player. And if you are one among those, if you are an extrovert, if you are good in communication skills, if you can engage people, if you can motivate, if you are a source of inspiration, if people often seek advice from you, then build an audience on any of these platforms. And then, after you have developed your audience, you will be able to monetize yourself to sponsored ads, which companies which will display on your platform to your audience and will pay commission to you. You can market any product or service to your audience on your developed platform and charge commission, a combination of both. Or people may even pay membership fees to become a regular follower of your network, to become a regular associate of your group. So if you are good at it, this only requires the investment of your time. You need to invest your time, and once you have built an audience, you can monetize yourself. YouTubers are making millions of dollars around every year, and you can be one among those. Human resource services, you can sell any of HR related services online to like resume writing, career counseling, recruitment and talent hunt services, training workshops, leadership courses, culture values, organization charts, payroll processing services. What you need to become a human resource service provider is to develop a website, make your website go viral, again gather the audience, collect the database of people who are looking to get the job, collect a database of companies who are looking to hire, and you will be able to earn online. You only need an internet connection, a desire, and the platform to earn. Training courses. If you have a skill, you can launch training courses to teach that skill to people and earn money, like software trainings, like human resource training workshops, like tax return workshops, IFRS workshop, budgeting, forecasting, and feasibility skills. Any skill you have, you can teach people through either classroom training or online training. Again, this is going to require very little investment. What you need to invest is your time. What you need to invest on is on yourself, is on your skills, on your profile, on your resume. And once you are popular, you are good at training, at communicating, you are going to make a lot of money. And this also is going to be a business which is not going to require Strong initial investment. Food business, if you are one who is a food lover, who want to launch a food restaurant but does not have enough investment at the start of his business, then there are ideas in today's business environment which you can launch your food product without too much investment. Go online, make a website, market your product on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, deliver homemade products to customers at offices or at events. Start up with small juice, snacks, and coffee points. And once you got popular, you attract customers and retain customers. You can earn money, retain that in your food business, grow your business, and expand it. So you can start it today with very little investment. दोस्तों आपको सिर्फ सेल्फ बिलीफ चाहिए, आपको मोटिवेशन चाहिए, मेहनत चाहिए, अनथक अनटायरिंग एफर्ट चाहिए और आप कामयाबी की तरफ जाएंगे. यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज टू बिलीव ऑन योरसेल्फ. Self belief, the effort, the motivation will lead you towards success. Nothing is impossible. All these businesses can be started with very little investments. Greeting cards, gift boxes, and event invitations. Many clients order greeting cards online. They can order you to make and design wonderful and surprising gift boxes for their loved ones or prepare event invitation cards. Companies and clients may hire them for their business or personal events. Once you have the clients, once you have a wonderful resume, you can earn a lot through this business as well. And again, only an internet connection, only the desire, the burning desire in yourself is required to become successful in this business venture as well. Very little initial investment is required for this as well. Work planning. If you are a nature lover, दोस्तों अगर आप नेचर लवर हैं, अगर आप ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट करना चाहते हैं, what you need to do is to make contact with the travel agencies, make contacts with hotels and restaurants, make a website, market your services, offer travel plans to clients, and people who are nature lovers who want to travel will hire you for their travel and entertainment. And this also requires very little investment at the start. Decor or event management business. If you are one who can decor, who have wonderful decoration designs, make a website, sell your decoration skills. If you're one who is good at architectural design, make designs, market your designs, show them to clients, gather the client, obtain customer satisfaction, retain them, and earn online. At the start, you don't even need a physical office space. You can again work on it as a part-time income source at the start, but you can make a lot of money from this business source as well. So friends, thank you for being with us. Thank you for listening us. I hope that you would have enjoyed our today's session. Keep us posted. Our aim is to help you people grow your own businesses and to develop sustainable source of income for yourself. Live the life that you deserve to live. Take good care of yourself and your families. Bye. Thank you. Take care.